Fowler Street. As you can see, this is the front exterior of works of art, and it's currently owned by AutismAble. And within these walls, we provide sessions such as media, music, filmmaking, employability, digital skills, and photography. Works of Art has also acted as a coffee shop and a place for local artists to display and sell their work. As for October of this year, Works of Art will be under renovation so it becomes more accessible and built to purpose. So, let's go inside, shall we? In 2022, AutismAble bought 88 to 90 Fowler Street. As you can see, this is how it currently looks. Previously, this was a shop and a flat before it became Works of Art. It's currently open plan with 2 rooms, and shown right now is going to be a blueprint of the new design. First off, there is going to be a lift to make it more accessible for some of our learners, as this will be situated on the left-hand side and will have access on the building's first floor. So here on the first floor, we currently have 3 rooms. In this room here, we use this for band practice, recording, and a bit of storage. In the next room, we have a music technology room. Right here, we have a computer with a logic application, as well as an interface and further storage. As for this remaining room with the fancy equipment here, we just use this as a storage room to do the miscellaneous instruments and parts for both music and other instruments. Here on the top floor, this has rarely been used since this is usually used for further storage. And not mention, this used to be a flat, like I said again earlier. So that right here, there's a kitchenette as well as a toilet and a bathroom. And that's it. Thank you for watching our mini tour of Works of Art. So until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.